The Phoenicians, the alphabet's inventors. Hello, future historians. Have you ever sent a text message, written a paper, read a book? Well, today we're going to meet the people who made all of that possible, the amazing Phoenicians. They were an ancient civilization of master sailors, daring traders, and the inventors of one of the greatest tools in human history, the alphabet. Geography and economics, the ocean is our road. Let's start with geography. The Phoenicians lived along a skinny coastline on the eastern Mediterranean Sea. Imagine your country was just a beach next to some mountains. They didn't have much flat land for farming, but they had one incredible natural resource: huge, strong cedar trees. This forced them to become experts at sailing and trade. Their economics were all about the sea. Their ships were the best in the ancient world. They sailed everywhere, setting up trading posts and colonies across the whole Mediterranean. They even established the famous city of Carthage in North Africa. What did they trade? Two big things: cedar wood to build everything, and a special expensive purple fabric dye called Tyrian purple. They were the ultimate ancient shipping company. Politics and social life, rich merchants ruled. In terms of politics, the Phoenicians didn't have one big king over a giant empire. They lived in independent, powerful city-states like Tyre, Sidon, and Byblos. Think of them like rival companies, not a single country. Their societal structure was heavily influenced by wealth. The kings were in charge, but the real power often lay with the richest merchants and traders who controlled the ships and the money. If you were a successful merchant in Phoenicia, you were a very important person. The Phoenician religious belief system was similar to many ancient cultures. They worshipped multiple gods, or were polytheistic. Their main gods included Baal, a god of storms, and Astarte, a goddess of love and war. Their temples were important community centers. Now for their greatest achievement. Think about writing before computers. In Egypt, you had to learn thousands of symbols, hieroglyphs. In Mesopotamia, you had to learn thousands of wedge shapes, cuneiform. It was hard. Only a few people, scribes, could do it. The alphabet, the ultimate innovation. The Phoenician alphabet. The Phoenician traders had a problem. They needed to write quick contracts, log their inventory, and send fast messages. They didn't have time to learn thousands of symbols. So they invented a system with just 22 simple characters. Each character represented a sound, not a whole word or idea. This was the first true alphabet. Here's the massive part. The Phoenicians were traders, not conquerors. So when they sailed, their alphabet went with them. The Greeks picked it up and added vowels, which made it even better. Then the Romans took the Greek version, changed it a little bit, and gave us the Latin alphabet. That's the letter A, B, C you are using right now. The Phoenician invention is the parent of almost every alphabet used in the Western world. They taught the world how to read and write easily. The legacy that still speaks. The Phoenician story is a powerful one. They prove that you don't need a massive army to change the world. Sometimes the most important inventions are the simplest ones. By making writing accessible to everyone, these seafaring traders started a communication revolution that helped build the great Greek libraries, the Roman laws, and every single textbook you've ever opened. They gave us the keys to knowledge. Thank you, Phoenicians.